Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make these fail-proof Moroccan pancakes. They're also known as the 1000 hole pancakes, or depending on the dialect in Morocco as Baghrir, Gringo or Hatita. For 10 small pancakes you'll be needing the following amounts. You can find all of the ingredients and materials used in the description box down below. Prepare a large bowl and add in 125 grams of fine semolina, 75 grams of all-purpose flour, 8 grams of vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, and 7 grams of baking powder, which is optional but highly recommended, especially for beginners. Mix them all together. And then add in the 3 grams of dry or instant yeast. Add 275 grams of warm water gradually while mixing it into the dry ingredients. Keep on mixing it until the batter has a smooth consistency and you've obtained a nice pancake batter. Use a spatula to collect all batter. As you can see, the consistency is similar to the batter of American pancakes. Cover the bowl with tin foil and leave it to rest for 30 to 45 minutes. This is what my batter looks like after 30 minutes. It's slightly thicker but still runny and contains lots of small air bubbles, which are essential to obtain perfect Moroccan pancakes. Heat up a pan, minus 20 centimeters in diameter. Once the pan is hot, you'll cool off the top by pouring in a couple of tablespoons of cold water and getting it all over the surface. Use a ladle to pour in the batter and move around your pan to have your batter form a nice round shape. Make sure you bake the pancakes at maximum heat. You can instantly see air bubbles popping, creating the 1000 holes Moroccan pancakes are known for. The pancake is ready once the top is completely dry. This takes me about a minute and a half. The bottom should be nicely golden brown by then. If your bottom overcooks too fast, make sure to use a pan with a thicker bottom or put your heat to medium. If the bottom stays pale, however, make sure to use a pan with a thinner bottom. It can be a matter of trial and error, but this recipe has never failed me before, so follow it carefully. Cool off your pan once again and continue with the next one. As these pancakes are easily made, since they don't take much preparation nor time, they are perfect to take along for family visits, a housewarming, or as a nice treat for friends, colleagues, or neighbors. They're also quite a success for special occasions. You could use the waiting time to brush olive oil onto the last pancake, or butter if you like either one of those, but you can also leave it natural. Once there are no more wet spots on top, the next pancake is also ready. Gotta love the perfect texture and the golden brown bottom. You can also brush the pancakes in between baking to stay focused and enjoy the mesmerizing and satisfying popping air bubbles. I speeded up the footage to show you that it is a matter of repetition henceforward. A little close-up time for a perfect pancake that more than deserves the spotlights. It might be just me, but I find it oddly satisfying to see all those tiny little air bubbles disappearing and leaving tiny little holes instead. Please don't mind the stain below the pan. I accidentally dropped some batter earlier, so it also kills me to see it, but it's very tedious to keep on cleaning that, so I just left it until after I was done. Organize your pancakes nicely on your plate. Don't use too much force, however, because they are rather fragile when they're still warm. So I urge you not to press them too hard, because the fingerprints will stay. This is the end result. I might have eaten two in the process. I like to eat them with a coat of powdered sugar. You could use honey, maple syrup, or simply leave them as it is and enjoy the taste of olive oil or butter. Have you ever tried the whole grain version of Moroccan pancakes? It's healthier, and with just little adjustments, these tasty pancakes can even fall within the diet of someone with high blood sugar levels, and it tastes just as good. I will show you how to make these in the next video. Like and share the video if you enjoyed this recipe, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.